What if I told you Elon Musk's AI just autonomously bombed Iran? That's a headline that ripped across Reddit recently, alleging that the chatbot Grok was repurposed for war. It's a shocking claim. But the most important part of that story isn't the bombs or Elon Musk. It's the brackets around the word Reddit. Because this story is completely false. And today, we're not just going to debunk it, we're going to decode why it was so believable, and what it reveals about the real future of AI and warfare. Let's first break down the story that spread across social media. The narrative was perfect drama. On one side, you have Elon Musk, the unpredictable tech titan, and his new, unfiltered AI, Grok. The story claims his company, xAI, secretly partnered with the Pentagon, weaponizing Grok to pilot drones and attack targets in Iran. On the other side, you have Anthropic, the safety-focused AI lab, heroically pulling out of a similar deal, taking a moral stand. The whole thing is seemingly confirmed by a Pentagon leak. It's a compelling narrative. A reckless billionaire versus an ethical rival, a secret war, and a government cover-up. It ticks all the boxes of a modern conspiracy and plays directly into our deepest anxieties about artificial intelligence. It's designed to go viral because it confirms our biases and fears. But like most things that seem too perfectly dramatic to be true, it is. So, let's inject some reality. Why is this story impossible? First, the technology. Grok is a large language model, or LLM. Its job is to process and generate text. Think of it as the most advanced autocomplete in the world. It has no eyes, no hands, and no connection to physical hardware like a military drone. Connecting an LLM to a weapon system isn't like plugging in a USB stick. It would require building an entirely new, complex system, what the military calls a lethal autonomous weapon system, or LAWS. We are not there yet. Second, the players. While Anthropic is indeed a public benefit corporation focused on AI safety and has a policy against building weapons, the idea that they pulled out of a deal that never existed is pure fiction. It was added to the story to create a hero and villain dynamic. And the Pentagon reveal? It never happened. A quick search of official press releases or major news outlets shows zero corroboration. Adding a credible source like the Pentagon is a classic misinformation tactic to give a lie the veneer of authority. Just because Grok isn't dropping bombs doesn't mean AI isn't involved with the military. The real story is less explosive, but far more consequential. The Pentagon has been investing billions in AI for years, but its current use is for things like intelligence analysis, not pulling triggers. Take Project Maven, a real and controversial program. It uses AI to automatically scan and flag objects of interest, like vehicles or weapon emplacements, from countless hours of drone surveillance footage. This speeds up the work of human analysts. It doesn't replace them. AI is also used for logistics and planning, optimizing supply chains to get resources to troops efficiently. And it's used for predictive maintenance, analyzing data from jet engines or tanks to predict when they'll need repairs. These applications are real. They are transforming modern defense, and they raise their own set of profound ethical questions about the speed, scale, and dehumanization of warfare, without a single rogue AI in sight. The debate isn't about whether AI will be used in war. It's already here. The debate is about how and where we draw the line. So, a fake story gets debunked. Why should you care? Because the real danger isn't a sci-fi killer AI. The real, immediate danger is misinformation. A story like this, if believed by enough people, could cause panic, influence stock markets, or even escalate real-world geopolitical tensions. It's a form of information warfare. Understanding the difference between a language model and an autonomous weapon is the new media literacy. It's how you inoculate yourself against manipulation. When you see a shocking headline about AI, ask 3 simple questions. 1. What does this AI actually do? Understand its technical function. 2. Who is telling me this? Is it a reputable news source or an anonymous Reddit account? 3. Does it sound like a movie plot? Real life is usually more complicated and less dramatic. These fake stories prey on our lack of understanding. By closing that knowledge gap, you're not just getting smarter about tech, you're protecting yourself and our shared reality from being distorted by fear and lies. So no, Grok didn't bomb Iran. But the story's viral spread proves that the battle for the future is as much about information as it is about innovation. The biggest threat isn't a rogue AI, it's a population that can't tell the difference between science fiction and reality. If you want to keep decoding what's real and what's not in the world of AI, make sure you subscribe to Decoded AI and hit the bell. Our goal is to give you the clarity you need to navigate this new era. Next week, we're investigating the real AI arms race, a deep dive into the quiet but intense competition between US and Chinese tech and what it means for the global balance of power. You won't want to miss it.